gonna drill a smaller hole in the middle here. Why is that thing a wobbly bobbly? Bent drill bit? Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Stupid ass drill bits. You buy cheap drill bits, you get, I guess. Anyway, that's what I got. Maybe this one's no good. Let's get a different jobberty bit, just to drill a part of the hole. I'll pick any goddamn bit, that'd be nice. We'll just take this one. Pick the worst bits in the world. Take two. Just kidding. What the hell? Is this fucking thing bent too? It's just in there wrong. Something in this fucking thing that drill bit bent. I don't think so. You're just in wrong. This is getting ridiculous. Okay, let's try this now. Okay, it's a little better. I'll just edit this whole part out then, right? Let me just stop here. Well, folks, things are getting holy here. Now, deburr. This deburring tool is not happy. Okay. Bought the cheapest one on Amazon. Usually works good. Guess where I had a red one here somewhere. Could have swore I had another one. I had a Milwaukee one, I think. I guess let's go wee. Okay. Guess we better just go like this then. That works. There we go. A little better. Alrighty then. Come on, I put this thing too tight now. Yeah, there we go. Everything flies off the goddamn table. Ooh, hot. Hot. Forgot about hot drills. Alrighty. There we go. Now we'll move the drill out of the way here because the drill's in the way. Drill over there. Now, where is the bolt that went in there? The original bolt is around here somewhere. So now, if I take this bolt here, I put this over here, like so, like this. Dun, 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 dun. I'm going to put a washer in here, leave it a little bit of space. So that goes on there. That goes on like so. Let's all this. There we go. And this goes on here like so. Of course, the nut doesn't want to go on. I'm going to put a washer in between. I'll show you this up close in a half second here. This is what modification I'm making right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's basically going to get, put it up right here, up right a little, get some more light. That's what I'm modifying right there. This is going to get welded. I'll put a tab on right here. It's not the perfect thing, but you know what? It fits. It's pretty close. See, I can weld that in there. I'll put a tack weld in here, a tack weld on this side, and I'll make a plate that goes on here. Covers that up. Give it, or I could have just made a whole plate going around, but you know what? It's not bad. It's got a little bit of a gap in here, but that could fix the welder. No big deal. So yeah, that's what I got done for now. Yeah, something's falling on the floor. What was it? Oh yeah, it's the punch. It's the punch. So anyway, stay tuned. I'll be welding this week, and I'll probably be putting this video up along with the bench build because it's a similar thing. So, or you'll see the finished bench video and you'll see these ones after, vice versa. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button. I need subscribers. And thanks for watching. Toodles.